some February market stats with you. And right now we've got January and February for the year to take a look at in terms of comparison to 2023, which is not enough to draw any solid conclusions. We could just about make some speculations as we can with the weather. So here are my speculations, and I invite any discussions regarding the market. So if we take a look at particularly the number of sales and the sales volume, what I'm tending to see is the number of sales is a little bit lower, both in January and February, but the sales volume is higher, which suggests to me that things are selling actually higher than they would have in January or February 2023. And what I'm seeing as a realtor on the market is the return of multiple offers. I am seeing anywhere from 2 to 9 offers. I've had colleagues tell me they've seen 23 offers. So we are experiencing another multiple offer market, and we've never left the seller's market. And just in case you're unaware of what a seller's market is, because yes, it has been a little bit better for buyers over the last 12 months, but it has not been a buyer's market. A seller's market means that inventory on average sits on the market for 8 months or less. In this market, what I've experienced with my sellers and also with my buyers is that properties are going to sell for anywhere up to 3 to 4 months. So what I started to see on the field was the third week of January, second to third week of January, buyers came out of the woodworks. Maybe they decided they were waiting too long previously and that there wasn't going to be a crash as they had anticipated. They came out and in full force. I have seen a lot of activity from buyers, hence why I'm saying multiple offers. I've seen it left, right, and center. Practically every offer I've made with a client at this point has been in a multiple offer situation this year. The sales volume is higher already in February at the 23rd than it was last year for the whole of February. So I am seeing that prices are going up again. I am seeing that multiple offers are occurring again. So it's a great time right now for sellers to be selling. Buyers, you have to make sure again that you're putting in strong offers. If you are going to work with a realtor, please make sure you're working with one that has a trusted mortgage advisor that will get you a proper pre-approval, because there's a difference between a pre-approval that will hold up in offers and multiple offers and a pre-approval that won't. So make sure that you are tightening up all of the loose nuts and bolts if you're a buyer. And if you're a seller, be prepared to receive multiple offers. Absolutely, if you have a turnkey property, you're going to be doing better than the average of the market. But please understand that if your property does need work to be done, buyers in this day and age are not looking to do work, so you can expect to perform below market average. So if you have any questions about the market, or if you want to discuss maybe your options in the near future, don't hesitate to reach out.